Here's the mommy and daddy. And let's look at their little babies. Right here. Aren't they just the best? Aren't they just the best? Yeah. 4 little babies. Oh, you're so lovely. I like when they have little downy butts. They're so cute. And that little down in the nape of their neck, back of their head. It's just too cute. You're so lovely, honey. Come here. Let me get a good look at you. Let me get a good look at you. Come here. Yeah. I think you're going to be gray like your daddy. Yeah, I think so. I think you're going to be a little gray baby like your daddy. Oh, little sweetheart. Yes, you are, honey. Just put me back with my siblings, please. Okay.